Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's StampPad. Today I am showcasing the Bird Ballad Designer Series paper from the new 2019-2020 Annual Catalog. This paper is just super gorgeous, and you really have to see the full sheet to just see how amazing it is. Look at those colors. I am super loving the color combinations in this set and can't wait to create with it. So I'm going to go through each of the sheets front and back so that you can see the full spectrum of this gorgeous paper. Let me know which one your favorite sheet is. It can be one sheet that's front and back, or it can be two different sheets. So be sure to let me know in the comments below which one your favorite is. So did you pick out your favorite? Which one is it? I know my favorite is this first bird one, which is super fabulous. But you know I'm a flower girl, so I'm also loving like these flowers or that flower one. They're just so gorgeous, and I can't wait to start creating with them. Be sure to check out my blog, LaurasStampPad.com, to see lots of fabulous ideas using this designer paper as well as lots of others. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe if you're new, as I'll be posting more of the designer series paper reveals coming up soon. Have a wonderful day and happy stamping! Bye-bye!